Hi guys, Lisa here for the Graphics Fairy. Thanks for coming by today. I'm going to be sharing how to upcycle an old CD case into a really cute desk calendar. And these are made using a free printable from thegraphicsfairy.com. Every year we put out a new annual desk calendar, and this one was designed by one of our very talented artists, Anya of On a Whimsical Adventure. And it's so easy to turn the CD case into a little stand for the calendar, and these little clips hold the calendar pieces in place. So let's get started. First, you'll need just an old CD case, and the best type to use tends to be these very thin jewel type cases, but a regular case will work as well. The first thing you'll need to do is separate the front and back of the case, and they're held together by a little hinge on a pin. And I broke one or two of these when I was testing out different cases. So just pry that apart carefully, and then you want to flip it around so that the outside and the outside are facing each other. And then you just put it back together by putting that pin in the little hole. Let's see if you can see this, and just snap that in place. And then you can just tilt this guy back, and you hear that little click, and there you have a little stand for your calendar. And then you can just print the calendar out on either some regular copy paper or some cardstock, which is what I chose to do today. And I just cut the calendar pages out with my paper cutter, and you can also use a pair of scissors. I thought I would just show you real quick how easy to do. And these are sized just perfectly. Anya has sized these just right, so you don't have to adjust it. You can just print it out and then cut them out. And there's a little wiggle room on the bottom in case you have a slightly odd-sized CD case, so you could cut this off if you wanted to, or if you needed to, for it to fit in your particular case. I'm just slicing this off. And these could also be used on junk journal pages. I think it would be really fun. I would love to do a different little junk journal for every month of the year. So there is one of them cut out. And I have one of my journal pages here to show you how you could incorporate it into a journal page like this. And I think that would be really fun and pretty, or you could use it as a cover on a journal for that particular month. So here is the finished product. I use a clear case for this one, and here are the beautiful calendar cards. Every one is different, and I just love the work that Anya did on this one. They're so pretty. So I hope that you give it a try. The free printable is on thegraphicsfairy.com, and I will put the link below. And I hope that you have a wonderful new year. Bring on 2021. We're all ready this year for sure for a fresh start. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe here at the Graphics Fairy YouTube channel. And if you want to get a notification every week when we post a video, just hit the little bell button. And we'll see you back here next Friday. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.